Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got an unboxing to share with you today from Paint with Diamonds. This is how I label packages so that I know what company they're from. Because there is one painting in this, I've just labelled the outside of the pack. But there was many amazing paintings for me to choose from Paint with Diamonds. And I'm going to share with you the one that I chose. So they do have the option of quite a few different designs. There's quite a lot of different designs that you can choose from and different sizes as well. Some of them are only limited to the US. So if you're in the US, there is some amazing selections there. That if they say ship from the US, they will only ship to you if you want more choice. But they come with a leaflet of welcome to the family, let's get started. So it tells you what's included and how to do it. And then options to join their club and their promise in relation to the quality of the painting, which is good. Oh, they have some metal tweezers, so they have a nice toolkit. They've got a big white boat with plenty of wax. You get a clear pen with what looks like a four-placer multi-placer on the end. You get a squishy, always good for your hands, and a really nice set of metal tweezers. I did choose a square, and I did choose a painting with a lot of 310 in it. Can you tell? But as soon as I saw it, I knew this one would suit this house. So let me get in it. Let me get in it and share it with you with the full impact. Now, considering how much of a background of 310 I have, there is a lot of other colours on this painting. We actually have 35. Sorry, my camera's not got anything to focus on. Focus on some diamonds, camera. It actually has 35 colours. 12,866 of them are 310. But say, that's my own fault. This is the image that I picked. So it actually goes that way. I picked it in a 40 by 30 because I thought that would be, I would be over 310 by then. So it'd be plenty big enough. It is a double-sided tape canvas. So I'm going to pull it back and flatten it out. If you get a double-sided tape canvas that you don't want to do yet and don't want to store flats, then I don't recommend you pull all the cover back. I reckon you just keep it flat. Cool. Some of the glue was coming up with the top paper. Let me flatten that back down. I'm not taking it all the way off because that's just asking for trouble. But let me get it as far as I can so that you can see that. There we go, without actually taking it off. These lines here are where the tape is. So they will, it's just where there's the three sections of tape. So they will disappear. So don't think they're part of the design. But look at that. Doesn't that look cool? I think it looks really good. I think my kids are going to love this one. So let me flatten that back down, because with double-sided tape, if you lift up your top cover and then flatten it back down, it gets rid of that roll that you can end up having. And I'm just trying to work out if I can just get that to join up a little bit better. Keep all my tape covered up. But yeah, we have 35 colours. You can see there the amount of 310 that there is involved. But yeah, completely my fault. They do come in bags. Oh, look at that green. I've very much got a liking for this bright lime green at the moment. But that's my 310. Ignoring my 310, there's still quite a lot of colours. Look at that. You know that's just going to pop. There is some 939 as well. But there's quite a few different shades of green to make up Grinch's hand, and of course quite a bit of red for the bauble, and a white as well to make up a sort of, oh hang on, I put them all down on top of it, didn't I? So we've got some red and some black coming into the bauble, and then we do also have the Santa suit. But if I pull it down from this end, is this the opposite end? Yeah. To let you sort of see some of the symbols that we have going on up the top. I might actually do this one soon, try and get it done for Christmas. But that's the symbols. So the symbols are really clear. We do have a mixture of 310 and 939 up in this top section, but then it does go all the way down to 310. So I would probably start from the bottom, and then by the time I'm bored of 310, I'll start having some of this variety up the top. But there's quite a few different symbols in the hand, and then it does use, if we can see there on the bauble, going down to the bauble, it does sort of use 939 and another type of blue to show the string lightly, but not too in your face. But yeah, I think the kids will like that one. Up in the house for Christmas, and that's a 30 by 40, that one. So I will pop the link to it down below so that you can check it out. There's loads and loads of different designs. They do have some also with licensed artists. If you're in the US, have a look at them all. If you're not in the US, just don't choose one that says ships from the US, because they won't ship to you. So don't get disappointed, but there are plenty of amazing images to choose otherwise. I think I am going to try and kit this one up soon. Maybe try and get it done before my December Advent so that it actually can go up this year. But yeah, thank you to Paint with Diamonds for sending me this diamond painting to share with you all. Very nice toolkit. Diamonds are all bagged up. They do have the quantities on the bags as well. So for 310 they've given me 14,538, but I need 12,866. So we definitely get more diamonds than what's required. A nice toolkit and an instruction leaflet as well. What more could you ask for? But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.